Indian skipper Virat Kohli is one of the most loved cricketers in the world. Not only is the cricketer a brilliant sportsperson, but also a very stylish man. He has a penchant for collecting luxury timepieces, Rolex watches in particular. Virat Kohli is often photographed with a Rolex watch on his wrist, and his choices are nothing short of impressive and expensive. Let's have a closer look at the Virat Kohli Rolex collection. Number 1. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona Green Dial 18 karat yellow gold. The cost of the watch is 32,400 US dollars, in India around 24,02,000 rupees. The Rolex Daytona is unarguably one of the most popular timepieces from Rolex. This Rolex Daytona has an oyster case of 40 mm and is driven by the caliber 4130 in-house movement. It's a green sunburst dial at its core, reflecting the light in an incredible way. The green color is unique to this model and can't be found in any of today's Rolex watches. The color is a rich color. Number 2. Rolex D-Date 40 Platinum. The cost of the watch is 54,200 US dollars, in India around 40,12,000 rupees. This Rolex D-Date features a 40 mm platinum case. The dial is ice blue with white gold applied R markers, with inserts in the Rolex exclusive Superluminova in blue, which they call Chroma Light. The ice blue dial is the discreet and exclusive signature of a Rolex Platinum watch. This D-Date 40 is powered by the self-winding 3255 caliber, which has instantaneous day and date functionality and a power reserve of 270 hours. Number 3. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona Champagne Dial 18 karat yellow gold. The cost of the watch is 32,400 US dollars, in India around 24,02,000 rupees. This watch is similar to the earlier green dial Daytona that we have talked about in the beginning of the video. This model of Daytona features a champagne dial with black sub-dials that makes it an ultra-luxury timepiece. Number 4. Rolex Daytona Rainbow Ever Rose Gold. The cost of the watch is 299,900 US dollars, in India around 2,21,79,000 rupees. Rolex Daytona Rainbow is an extremely rare piece. This watch has become the choice of rock stars and Hollywood elites, as well as the most prominent collectors in the world. This Rolex Daytona Rainbow Ever Rose Gold, a closer look at the stones reveals the subtle color gradation of the 36 bigot cut sapphires on the bezel, as they transit seamlessly through the colors of the rainbow. Dial features 11 bigot cut sapphires R markers, while 56 brilliant cut diamonds cover its lux. This timepiece has proven to be a good investment. Because of limited production, this watch goes for significantly more than its original price in secondary market. Number 5. Rolex Deep Sea Sea Dweller Stainless Steel. The cost of the watch is 11,400 US dollars, in India around 8,46,000 rupees. There is no denying that the Deep Sea is a huge watch. Known as G-Wagon of watches, its big oyster steel case measures in at 44 mm wide and 17.7 mm thick, offering tremendous amount of wrist presence. The Deep Sea, aptly named Deep Blue, sports a handsome, visually striking gradient dial that goes from blue to black. It is a fitting tribute to film director James Cameron's historic dive and stands out from the norm of other dive watches. The text from Deep Sea is printed at the 6 o'clock position. The chunky case constitutes only half of the ingredients necessary for its extraordinary depth rating. Number 6. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona Stainless Steel. The cost of the watch is 11,600 US dollars, in India around 8,60,000 rupees. Number 6. Rolex Submariner 18 karat yellow gold. The cost of the watch is 31,600 US dollars, in India around 23,40,000 rupees. So that is Virat Kohli's insane Rolex collection. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.